Hey everybody, Chris here. We're having a nice little pump in the crypto market this morning as I'm recording this. Is the bottom in? Is the bottom in for Dogecoin and Bitcoin? We'll show you that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And we were live on Wednesday and we were talking about, are you bullish or bearish? We had about a 75% response of bullish, but 25% of you are still bears. But how are you feeling today? Well, let's get into it. Let me show you the charts and the news, show you what I'm looking at. And we start here with the Dogecoin chart, up over 10.2 cents. Little pump this morning up over my resistance line. Once we can get above that line there at 10.3 and stabilize over that, that becomes support and Doge can move higher. But what is this bottom we're talking about? We'll get to that in just a minute. Bitcoin over 58,000 right now, and we'll see whether that holds. With that move, though, what we do have we have more leveraged shorts now. Leveraged shorts being taken out. Bitcoin, Solana, ETH. That's what happens when we see the price move up, especially quickly. And here's a Doge one right there, $185,000 short. Taken out at 10.29. Squeeze out those shorts. That's what I say. Squeeze them out. So typically it's the summer though, and we have these little pumps. Price does tend to settle back down. We also have another mover. No, not just XRP. We'll get to that in a minute. But Toncoin. Yes, Toncoin is going to be listed on Binance, and with that news, we had a big pump for Ton, and so Ton has passed Dogecoin up again. There seems to be a lot of flip-flopping going on here between 8 and 9. But here's Doge at $14.8 billion, though. Not dead. Nope, not dead. Still hanging out, doing fine in the top 10. And we'll be watching that going forward overall with crypto bubbles. A lot of green in the market here today as I'm recording this. Here's Toncoin there. Big winner XRP right now, as XRP has settled their lawsuit with the SEC. We were watching this during the live stream on Wednesday as XRP spiked up. Can it hold 60 cents though? That's going to be the big one for XRP. I tend to doubt it. And as we have a pump in all of the other cryptos, XRP really didn't pump yet. It did its pump yesterday. So that's kind of how things go. So we'll see whether this pump can last with Dogecoin going up. But what overall is going on? Dogecoin has fairly bottomed. What does fairly bottomed mean? Well, that's Altcoin Sherpa. And he noted that the good thing about Doge is that it's fairly bottomed. The bad thing, he says, is Dogecoin is unlikely to witness similar moves as it had in 2021. We were also talking about this during the live stream, and our expectations for Doge, with a lot of you, has come down quite a bit, and you're now targeting maybe taking profits at lower prices than you previously thought. But Sherpa continues to say that Doge can be good for a few X minimum. So from 10 cents, what do you mean a few X? 30 cents? Is that a target? 40 cents? 50 cents? We'll be looking at those numbers as we move forward into the fall. But Doge may not go parabolic. We'll see how that goes. But with strong liquidity, you can size up. Dylan is saying, look, X payments coming soon. Again, we looked at the article on this yesterday as well. And with X payments, again, Dogecoin will not be part of X payments when it first launches. But that doesn't mean Doge won't pump with X payments with the expectation that eventually Elon will add it. Ignoring Doge at this point won't be a good idea. Keep an eye on this, looking at the movement of Doge as it has gone from the low in 2022 at 4.95, dipping to 5.8 cents, maybe 5.5 or so there in September, October 2023. And with the move up to 22 cents, dip back down, take out the lows, and then move up. So that's the expected move that we would see for Dogecoin coming forward. 1337 ETH says, when will the Dogecoin bull run start? Historical chart analysis suggests a significant price increase could begin once the red and green lines cross. And he is forecasting that cross coming up around mid-September. Looking back to 2020, soon after that cross happened, we had an acceleration in the price of Doge not long after. And that same thing happened back in 2017. So he's looking at the history. Again, history doesn't always repeat, but it rhymes. And this could be one of those instances as well with Dogecoin. Notice we have about 98 days of up only into the first local top after this cross begins. This suggests we may take off in mid-September and locally top around mid-December, which aligns with Bitcoin seasonality as well. I don't make the rules, I just make the charts. That's what he's looking at. And again, we follow these 4-year cycles. Doge waiting for the big move up. Trader Tardigrade, Dogecoin, RSI is repeating the same pattern. So he's looking at the relative strength index. Again, patterns that happen. We get a double top, swoop down, one last little pump on the RSI before bottoming, and then the big move up. And that big move up was again November, December 2020. First move up, then January, then April 2021. Here we are again. Double top, swoop down. We had one spike up, and then the RSI comes all the way back down, hits a bottom. That's where we are right now. Does this mean this pattern will follow and we will see this big move up? Matching Doge and its RSI, they are moving in an identical way just before the surge. Dogecoin price prediction? Yes, we do look at price predictions, but mostly in this, what I want to look at is this chart right here. Again, looking at the Dogecoin chart, what have we got since 2021? We have a double bottom. The double bottom is in 2022, 2023. We're now looking at regaining that support. They show 10.7. Mine is at 10.3. Once we regain that support, then the move up will come. That is what is in the cards. Again, we'll have to get over 20 cents. Again, we peaked up at 22, but that first move up was at 20.7 cents. That is the target we will be looking for when Dogecoin starts to run. Again, most likely September, October timeframe is what we're looking for that move to happen. And then after that, what will we be targeting? 35 cents, 42 cents. And hopefully that move can continue and we can hit new all-time highs. But that is what is in question still, whether that parabolic move from Doge can have enough momentum to go that high or not. Now, we also have the other side of the channel. This is Kevin. Now, Kevin is optimistic, but still, the overall Dogecoin chart since the move up back in March doesn't look great. This is a downward channel, and right now, we have not broken out of that channel. The falling channel on Doge will likely break out to the upside at some point, just a matter of time. So, what does just a matter of time mean? A lot of indicators looking for September to be that breakout. Could be October. We got to see how that plays out, but middle of September is also looking like those U.S. Fed rate cuts. That could spark the market. X payments. What's the news going to be on that? Still over a month away until that point in time. A lot can happen then, which could spark Dogecoin and a move forward. Will we see a dip back down into the 9s and maybe into the 8s as well? We could still see that. We are still in that downward channel. Is it too late to buy Dogecoin in 2024? We've been talking all summer long, accumulation, buying the dips. We are still in that accumulation zone. We have not broken out of it yet. This is the opportunity still for Doge. So here we are. We're over 10 cents now. Will this hold as this goes forward through the day? I kind of think we might see a little retracement back. These little spikes again in the summertime tend to not hold, and we see a little falling back happening. That's with Doge. Bitcoin, see if we can hold 58,000, and XRP is still going to be looking at 60 cents. We will look at these and others on the live stream on Friday. Join me at 4 o'clock. We live again, catching up on everything for the week and looking forward to the weekend trading in crypto. Join me then. For this, please leave a comment below. What do you think? Is the bottom already in for Dogecoin? I know there's still some bears out there that think we may see a little bit lower prices, back down to 8, 7 cents. What do you guys think? Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.